What's going on, Isaiah? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So let's take a look at your website, see what's going on, and see if there's anything we can help with. But before I do that, let's take a look at your GMB first. So the problem is Fix Repair Solutions LLC only pops up if I put in a Popka Florida. It doesn't pop up if I put in anything else. But you do have one, so that's really good. 30% of all people who if you're ranked top three, will click on your GMB. So you have it, website save, call, listing. You have nearby areas open, you have your hours, a phone number. Okay, so solid. You don't have any, like, because you can connect your Facebook to it, which is up here. But regardless, let's move on. I'm over here on your website. That's how I knew you were in a Popka. Otherwise, I couldn't find it when I searched for it in Orlando. I know Orlando is like just slightly above it. Okay, why is this moving so slow? Could be my internet as well. Anyway, fix repair solutions, meeting your needs at affordable prices. But what are you offering? What is it? So home, about, we have projects, and contact us. But it doesn't really list the things you're offering. That's the problem, right? So Popka complete remodeling and home improvements. So I got to scroll in order to find that, which isn't good. Oh yeah, let me. What is up with this? Does it only go to specific spots? Also, your phone number, not here. You definitely want a phone number. If you have a logo, get your logo in here as well. Logo on the left, phone number on the right. A Popka complete homework. Okay, there's something up with your website. It like jumps. So that would piss most people off and they would leave. Complete remodeling, home improvement, learn more. This brings you to the About Us page. That's fine. Um, home improvement services. I would probably, if you have multiple things you're offering, have multiple pages of different things you're offering. Sure, it's a review, featured work. That's very nice, actually. I do like that. I like this very much. If you all our work, reach out to us. So there's no content. Unfortunately, because there's no content, you're not going to have any keywords, which means you're not going to really rank. Created with Use is fine. They have some functionality and they have a free website that you can build off of. But if it's not really going anywhere, if there's not really anything to show people, then that's a problem. Because let's see what happens if I go to projects. Let's see what they have over here. Okay, our work. Click an image to view the full project. Will it enlarge it? Yeah. And the problem is the loadability is very bad. Home improvement, total makeover, traditional design. Let me click on it. Okay, so it kind of, there's no information, there's no talking, there's no like, we do this, we do that. And again, I'm not saying that's because you don't do it. I'm saying we want those words in here because then I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you, okay, instead. So I'm using something called Ahrefs that lets me know how Google looks at you. So right now you don't have any real data in here. There's no UR rating, which is how strong the website is. No DR rating, which is how much Google trusts you, or not you, but your website. There's no backlinks, which drive these numbers up, and there's no referring domain, which adds the DR credibility to you. You do have 5 organic keywords. Now, a keyword is what Google, if somebody puts something in Google, that's a keyword. And if you have it on your website and you're ranking high for it, Google will associate them to you. Now, you only have 4. You lost 2. You have Fix It Solution, which anyone in the world can type in. Same thing for Repair Solutions, Fix It Solutions, and Solution Repair. That's not a keyword. A keyword is something that they're keywords technically, but the keyword you want is connected with a location. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to go over here. Home remodeling, Orlando, Florida. Okay. You could switch this up to home renovations. Let's do home renovations. Because that's more in tune with what you offer. And this is what we get. I have a keyword, 2 keywords theoretically in one. I have a service and a location, which are good enough for Google Ads. So right off the bat, we have, the Google guaranteed stuff. We have KBF design, Angie's List, and then this is your GMB, by the way. So again, one of 3 out of 10 people will click on one of these 3 guys. So you definitely want to be in the top 3. If you're not, something's up. Not something's up. It just doesn't matter. 4 to 500 won't matter. You're just not going to be seen. Most people are so lazy they won't even click the more business button. And after that, you have your organic search. But we already have some of the organic search up here, which means they're doing a bang-up job. So we have KBF Design Gallery. I don't know if you know them, but they are hogging up a ton of the top spots for everything. And I'll show you why. So they got home, YKBF as a drop-down menu. They have our process. Then they have gallery with a drop-down menu. This is what they do. They do bathroom, kitchen remodeling, whole home remodeling, other spaces, which probably means, I don't know, maybe basements. They have interior design and they have home addition. So they do a ton of stuff and they're listing all of them. If you go to these pages, they have a whole page dedicated to each individual idea. They also have a lot of content, see? And not only that, but if I hover over these are links. So they're talking about each one, which is exactly what you want to do. And they're giving great visuals. Not only that, but they also have the choice thingy over here, which is, letting everyone know that they have all of the stuff for pretty much everything. Custom design and remodeling. There's a lot of content here. They're family people. They have a very clean website. They're doing well. But let me show you why they're at the top spot based on what Google says. So they have a UR rating of 35, very strong website, and a DR of 23. So they could do better with that one, but that's still a damn good number, right? So you want these in a ratio of 1 to 1 in the 30s and 40s. So they got one there. They need to get the other one there, but they will, maybe. Now, again, all of it runs on backlinks. Now, backlink is where you have your website link posted somewhere else on the internet, and somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back home to you. Now, they also do have 1.9 thousand organic keywords, which means that they have about 2,000 different variations of keywords that Google will connect them with. What are they? Let's find out. So let's hope this loads a little quicker than that. I usually have them all set up. I don't know why it kind of said no to me. So the first thing is it's going to give us the keyword. We're going to look at the volume of that keyword, the traffic they're pulling for the keyword, and the position they're in. So kitchen remodeling, see, this one they got rid of. But notice how all of the big spots over here, even if I keep scrolling, they're all talking about a service and a location, regardless of the variations of it. People type in things very differently. So they might type in, there are two ways. You can do kitchen renovations Orlando, or you can do Orlando kitchen renovations, right? They're that. Home renovations Orlando, remodeling contractor Orlando. See, he keeps switching that up, and he's ranking for all of this stuff. So look at the volume. This one doesn't matter. He lost this one. I wouldn't have wanted this one anyway because anyone in the world can type that in. But you have 150, 90, 270. There are volume here, right? Now, if you get one job a month for this, I don't know. I know you don't want one. You want more. But look at the traffic he's pulling in for each of these guys. 53 out of 150. If you're in the top three spots, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20% of all search volume or more. He's in position number 2, he's pulling in 33%. He's in position 2, he's pulling in 32% or 33%. He's in position 3, he's pulling in 14%. Position 1, he's pulling in almost, 40% right now? Position 1, he's pulling in exactly 33. So it's a huge difference between 1, 2, and 3, but you will get over 10%. So how does this really help you out? What can you do, Isaiah, to help yourself? So first off, we got to add content to your website. We got to get good content in there that talks about your services, and we got to divide those pages up so that Google will look at each page individually as a theme instead of as an entire party. We want it all individual. After that, we add keywords into the content so it reads naturally. So that's step 2. Step 3 is we add backlinks and referring domains because you have none. You can have all the keywords in the world, but if you don't have backlinks and referring domains, Google won't build that credibility with you, and therefore they won't rank you. So I have a great way of getting them because we know this guy has some really good ones because he's ranking at number 1 for virtually everything. So we just use them for you. And then finally, well, that would be it. Just imagine if you have 500 dedicated people coming to your website every single month based on those location and service keywords. What would that do for you? Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.